Hello students, today we are going to start 12th standard economics subject, introduction to micro and macroeconomics. In this topic, last lecture we have already studied meaning, definitions, historical review, scope, features of macroeconomics. Now, today we are going to start importance of macroeconomics. Importance of macroeconomics. Number one, functioning of an economy. Macroeconomic analysis gives us an idea of the functioning of an economic system. It helps to understand the behavior pattern of aggregative variables in a large and complex economic system. When you study our total whole economies or countries, in these types of whole economic study, all types of aggregative variables like that national income, total output, general price level, employment, investment, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, total savings. These are the aggregative economic variables. These are the aggregative economic variables, also very important to study in macroeconomics. It helps to understand the behavior of pattern of aggregative variables in a large and complex economic system. Then second important, economic fluctuations. Economic fluctuations means trade cycles or business cycles. Macroeconomic helps to analyze the causes of fluctuations in economic output and employment and makes an attempt to control them or reduce their severity. So, in macroeconomics, fluctuations, up and downs, business cycle or trade cycle. Just see here a normal business cycle. A normal business cycle, 4 stages. In a first stage, expansion, peak, contraction, trough, again expansion, peak, contraction, trough, again expansion. These are the cycle continuous running in economy. It is called fluctuations. So, these fluctuations like national income fluctuations, total output, employment, these are the attempt to control them or reduce, very important to study in a macroeconomics. So, fluctuations in trade cycles, up and downs, affect sometime positive or sometime negative, all types of effect study in a macroeconomics. So, economic fluctuations is important to study, affect our total function, our economy. Third, national income. In microeconomics, individual and macro national income. Study of macroeconomics has brought forward the immense importance of the study of national income and social accounts. First concept of national income value of goods and services in our country produced in a year means national income means a monetary value of all goods and services produced in a year. It is called national income. And in a national income, social accounting, in a social accounting means national income affects when you study in a social level, per capita income, saving, consumption, that affect on our social life is important to study in social accounts. Without a study of national income, it is not possible to formulate correct economic policies. Means our government's economic policies like that tax policy, industrial policy. So these are the policies also very important to study through the national income. Means national income is a important indicator in a macroeconomics study. Then next important economic development. Economic development is a qualitative concept. In a qualitative concept, advanced studies in macroeconomics helps to understand the problem of developing countries such as poverty, inequalities of income and wealth. You know, underdeveloping, developing and developed. So when I study developing economy like that, India, today our problems, poverty, inequalities of income and wealth, unemployment, these are the problems studied in macroeconomics. So differences in the standard of living of the people means in our country standard of living also different. When I study in poverty concept, below poverty line and above poverty line, then income distribution, house and not house, it is called inequalities. These are the problems to study in our economy. So it suggests important steps to achieve economic development. So in our country, a long period of time, economic growth and development measurement through the economic indicators. So economic growth and development is an important indicator to measurement these types of all problems. So economic development is important to study in a macroeconomics. Next importance, performance of an economy. Performance. Macroeconomics helps to us analyze the performance of an economy. National income estimates are the used to measure the performance of an economy over time by comparing the production of goods and services in one period with that of the other period. Means in our economy, national income estimation is important to study our total or overall performance. In total or overall performance, when you study a long period of time, our country's national income increases. To study our performance increase or decrease, just see a graph. You know, 2002, 2018 or 2020, our national income a long period of time, means last 10 years, increases. So national income increases means performance, our economy also increases, means growth and development, two important criteria also important to measurement of national income. Means when our country's real national income increases, it is called development. So national income estimation is important to study a performance of an economy. Then next importance, study of macroeconomic variables. Students, you know, macroeconomic variables is very important to understand the working of economy. Our economy understand the working of economy. Study of macroeconomic variables also very important. Main economic problems are related to the economic variables such as behavior of total income. Behavior of total income means all countries' population income means national income. Then total production means total output. Then employment and general price level means average price means average price increases of goods or commodity or services. It is called general price level or inflation. So general price level in the economy, these are the main macroeconomic variables also important to study in macroeconomics. Then when you study the macroeconomic variables, you know, gross domestic product GDP, gross national product GNP, demand and supply, consumption, investment, government spending, net export and import. So these are the all calculations is important to study in macroeconomic variables. So macroeconomic variables is important to study in our macro side. Then level of employment. Macroeconomics helps to analysis the general level of employment and output in an economy. You know, employment, just the picture here, they now clear. Employment opportunities or employee in all sectors means agriculture sector, industry sector, service sector, all sectors employee or employment opportunities when increase, automatically our income level increases, standard of living increases. So macroeconomic helps to analysis the general level of employment means total employment opportunities, unemployment percentage and total production or total output in an economy to study in our macroeconomics. So today we have studied importance of macroeconomics. Students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.